Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will be showing you how you can extract frame or image from a video at a particular point of time in Expo React Native for Android. So let's get started. So let me show you guys the output first. So I'll just mirror my device. Here you can see I have this button called pick image. It should have been pick video, sorry about that. So I'll just click on this button and here you see video picker. So I'll just select this video. Now from this particular video I have extracted the frame at 5th second, but obviously you can change the time to whatever you feel like. I'm unable to play the video, I don't know why, but if you know, do let me know in the comments. It is not playing it for me, but I'll just quickly show you guys the actual video as well. So this is the actual video, just to prove it to you. Here you can see at the 4th second there is a little bit of gap as well, like bit of delay. Like I'm extracting it from 5th second, but it is extracting it from the 4th second, the milliseconds delay, but I think this is fine. So yeah, let's see how to achieve this. So first you need to create a Expo React Native application. So I'll just minimize this. So to create it you can just go to this particular URL over here. I'll open it inside a new tab, and here I'm using this blank TypeScript template, so you can use whatever you feel like. So just run this command and it will ask you what should be the project name, and you should give it a project name. Now at the time of me recording this, there is no third-party library which can achieve this, so we need to write native code. So for that you need to go to this particular URL over here. So I'll just open it inside a new tab. Here I have selected Android device. Here I have selected development build. I have disabled ES. I will just go to select your operating system. I have already done all of this setup, like installing Watchman, Cache Zulu, setting the Java home path, installing Android Studio. So you will have to do all of this setup, unfortunately. And finally you need to cd to your Expo application and just run this command. And once that is done, you need to run this command. So this will create the actual Android folder for you. So here you can see we have this Android folder over here. Then you just need to go to this URL over here. So this will create an Expo module for us. So here you just need to run this particular command as well. So again it will ask you few questions like what should be the module name and everything. Just press enter 3 times. I have kept everything as default. I have not changed anything. Okay, once that is done, I'll just close this quickly. Sorry about the background noise. So here I have installed few dependencies. So inside package.json I have installed Expo image picker as well as Expo video, and inside app.json I have added this from the documentation itself for Expo image picker, and this is for Expo video. Okay, then let's go to modules. You need to go to src mymodule.ts, and I have just added this one extra method. Rest everything was present by default, so this might change in future. So just making sure you know that I have just added this method which takes a path and it takes the time. So the time will be in milliseconds, and it returns a base64 string. But to return the data, I'm just following this approach which they have taken. So to return data, we will be making use of this onChange event. Again, this was again present by default when you create a module. I have not changed any of this stuff. Then let's see how to use it. Just go to app.tsx. I have added all these imports. One state for base64 image which we will get from native Android side, one for video URL, and one for our player as well. So this is for setting the player once the video URL is selected. This is the change event listener. So here we will get the base64 image, and here we are just replacing a slash n if there are any inside the base64 and calling it over here. Then here is our button, and on click of it we just do image picker.launch image library async. Here is our media type, allow editing and quality as well, and here we just get the URI of the selected video, and here you can see I am passing it as 5 second, which is 5000 millisecond. And here we are setting the video URI as well, and if URI is not equal to empty, display the video. Again, this is not working for me, I don't know why. And this is for displaying the image, base64 image which we get from native Android side, and these are the styles as well. Next you need to go to Android, go to build.gradle, and inside dependency you need to add, I think these 3 dependencies are not required. I'm not really sure, maybe you can try to comment it out and check, but I have just added it. I don't know if these are causing some issues with the video player or not, not really sure. Then here is our media 3 inspector as well as concurrent future KTX as well. This is still in beta. If it does become stable by the time you guys are watching it, make sure you use the stable version. Then go to src java mymodule.kt, and firstly here these are all the imports which you need to add. Okay, then I am getting hold of our activity by this code. Again, this is present by default. I have not changed anything. I have added this annotation because like I said, this is still in unstable or beta phase. That's why we had to add this. Even for some stable libraries we had to add this because because that's how Android things works. It's a lot of unstable APIs, but I don't think there will be any breaking changes. Again, this is all by default. I have not changed anything. Then here I have added another function called extract frame, which takes a path as well as time. Then we launch an IO coroutine. Then here we create a media item from our path. Then if you're using upside down cake Android version, then you can also extract HDR frames. I don't, so I'm just using this else clause. If you want to pass any media 3 effect as well, you can pass it. I have commented this thing out. Then do frame extractor dot get frame, then do frame extractor dot close, get the bitmap, convert it to base 64 and send it back to React Native side. And this is a helper method to convert bitmap to base 64. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.